Hey there, future candle moguls. Thinking about starting your own candle business? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to launch your candle business and turn it into a flickering success. First things first, why candles? Candles are always in demand. They're perfect for gifting, home decor, and creating that cozy vibe everyone loves. Plus, they're relatively easy to make and offer great profit margins. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Research and planning. Start by identifying your niche. Are you into aromatherapy? Maybe eco-friendly candles? Or perhaps luxury scented candles? Knowing your target market will help shape your brand and product line. Next up, create a business plan. Outline your goals, budget, and marketing strategies. This plan will be your roadmap and help keep you focused. Step 2. Sourcing materials. You'll need wax, wicks, fragrance oils, and containers. Do your homework and find reliable suppliers. Quality materials are crucial. They can make or break your product. And don't forget about packaging. Eye-catching packaging can set you apart from the competition. Now, let's get to the fun part. Making the candles. Safety first. Always work in a well-ventilated area and use proper equipment. Experiment with different scents and designs. It might take a few tries to perfect your recipe, but that's okay. It's all part of the process. Step 3. Branding and marketing. Your brand is more than just a logo. It's your story, your values, and how you connect with your customers. Create a memorable brand name and logo. Consistent branding helps build trust and recognition. On to marketing. Social media is your best friend. Share behind-the-scenes looks, DIY tips, and customer reviews. Instagram and Pinterest are great platforms for visual products like candles. Collaborate with influencers to reach a wider audience. And don't forget about good old-fashioned word of mouth. Your satisfied customers will be your best promoters. Step 4. Selling your candles. Start with an online store. Platforms like Etsy or Shopify are user-friendly and have built-in audiences. Participate in local markets and craft fairs. It's a great way to get direct feedback from customers and build a local following. Offer promotions and discounts to attract first-time buyers. And always, always provide excellent customer service. Lastly, keep evolving. Stay updated with market trends and continually refine your products. Listen to your customers and adapt accordingly. Innovation and flexibility are key to long-term success. So there you have it. Starting a candle business is an exciting journey. With passion, creativity, and a solid plan, you can build a brand that shines bright. Ready to light up your entrepreneurial dream? Let's get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to fuel your entrepreneurial spirit. See you next time.